Okay, so I'm gonna do this experiment today. I have this perfectly cleaned with some bleach and some all-purpose cleaner. I'm gonna paint this anyways. I'm gonna make them silver to go with my modern design I'm going for. But before I do that, I just wanted to do this experiment. I heard that ketchup really brings back the color in old handles. So I'm just gonna do these small handles first, and I'm just going to, so remember, they're perfectly clean. I don't need to scrub or anything. Basically, I'm just smudging this ketchup on and see what happens. Just let it sit for a while. Just let me put some more. Just gonna leave that there. And I figured out that tonic water has all that bubbly particle. Here is the Coca-Cola version. We're gonna compare the three of them and see how they end up. So I'm just filling this up. Let it soak for an hour or so. And let's see which one works the best to take out this oxidation of the hardware handles. Coca-Cola, ketchup, tonic water. Gonna come back to you later. Alright, so here we are 3.5 hours later. Let's see what happened here. So here we have the tonic water. We're gonna clean that out and see what happened. Here we have the ketchup. Look like that's a big difference. And just about an hour and a half on this one so far in the Coca-Cola. So I'm gonna leave that another an hour and a half, so that makes the 3 hours as well. So we can compare exactly what's going on. So I'm just gonna clean this right here in front of you in my kitchen sink. And let's start with the tonic water since it's the less messier. So let's start. I have a brush here. I could use even a softer bristle, but just yeah. So let's do this. Tonic water, and I just finished painting outside, so my hands are all. But okay, what I'm discovering, all the black stuff is coming out the hardware, the handle. Yep, definitely worked. All the stuff is coming out and is leaving the bare metal, I guess the original. Hey, it's working, definitely working. So far, tonic water, happy results. Original handle, because I have a few more to compare it with. Dry it out. Let's do this comparison and then we wash the ketchup out. Hey, wow, okay. Guys, so this is working. This is definitely a winner. This trick is working. What do you think of the tonic water? So I guess anything with any carbonation, bubbly water will do the work. So, good job. Good job, tonic water. Now let's see the ketchup. And yuck. All right. So, if you don't like this kind of visual, please don't look. It's definitely looking disgusting. But definitely another good results, I believe, so far. I can see through this mess. So what happened here, the chemistry, the acidic reaction from the tomato ketchup is definitely killing all that additional build up disgustiness throughout the year. We have another winner. So far, so good. And remember guys, I left this for 3 hours. So you can probably leave them even longer if you wish. And I think we have another great result. Turn this way. Oh wow, what a difference. The color actually changed. Oh my goodness. So the chemistry in here is amazing. So this is what I started with. This is what the ketchup did. So basically all that chemical reaction is amazing. And here is the tonic water. So the ketchup is definitely stronger. Very nice. Okay, and we're gonna come back in an hour and a half to this one. This is the Coca-Cola, but so far it is okay. I can definitely see the difference in here too. Not as big change as between the ketchup and the tonic water, but it's still okay.